Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Shivanti. Second look in the festive series and my eyes are already looking like Uncle Festus eyes in Addams Family. So today I'm going to create a classic red lips and not so subtle kind of eyes. I'm explaining as though this look is going to be stunning, but trust me, I seriously don't know how I'm going to look at the end of this video. If there is anything out there that I don't trust even a little bit, means it should be my brain and this one right here. So let's get on with the video. As usual, I'm going to start off by applying my moisturizer and my eye cream. By now, you people might know what moisturizer I'll be using and what eye cream I'll be using. So from next video onwards, I think I can skip this part alone. How many times will you show the same moisturizer, Shivanti? What to do? That is what I have. So today I bought this. Same moisturizer only again, but different dabba. And for your very kind information, I know it is not a dabba, it is a tube, so please stop searching for your keypads right there. A few people waiting for a chance, appude they'll start typing, this is not a dabba, this is a tube, you uneducated moron. I'm not exaggerating, I have gotten those comments and I'll be very happy to see those comments because appada content for my next video ready. I'm just kidding, I'll sit and cry for 2 days at least. First, I'm gonna apply my Cosrx oil-free moisturizing lotion. And then I'm going to apply my Eclat eye cream. And again, if you want, you can even apply your moisturizer around your eyes. But make sure your eye area is nicely hydrated. And then I'm going to apply my e.l.f. foundation in the shade Caramel. I'm going to take 2 pumps. I'm going to use this sponge from e.l.f. again and apply my foundation. Heart attack only will come. How much noise these people are producing. Anyway, within like 1.5 to 2 months, we'll be moving to a new house. Then I'll make another video. Get ready with me for housewarming video. I really like the finish of this foundation when I apply it with my fingers. It's so nice. And then for concealer, I'm going to use this LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I'll mention all the products and shade down in the description box. If you want, you can check that out. Oh, I think it's almost over. And this brush is from Miniso, as usual. I didn't wash the brush properly. It's kind of making the concealer a bit patchy. This brush is from PAC. It's their 219 brush, concealer brush. And then I'm going to use K-Beauty's Rose Powder, loose powder, and set my face. This powder is in the shade Olive. I just love it. So what do you guys think about this? Like this in the sense, not this. This is a little, horrible only, but still I'm trying to ask you guys in general, like what do you guys think about the festive series that I'm doing right now? I have planned to upload 9 different makeup looks for 9 days. I know it'll be a little overwhelming only, but I thought of showing variation by including videos like festival lip shades and what else. I thought of incorporating challenges, a 5 minutes makeup challenge, challenges like that, and what else. I also ordered few kurtis to do festive kurtis under 500 video from Ajio. My amount got debited, but nothing else happened. So these are the things that's going on in my mind. In case if you guys know something that I could incorporate in the videos that would make it a bit more interesting, please let me know in the comment section down below. For eyebrows, I'm going to use my Miss Class eyebrow cake. I know, like in moisturizer, I only have Cosrx moisturizer, and in eyebrows, I only have this. So in case if you guys want me to review on something different, please give your valuable comments, and also with that, please give me some money to buy products. And And one more thing, just because I've asked you guys for some suggestions in this festive series, it doesn't mean that you have to send these screenshots of products that you want to buy and ask me to review that. If it suits me, you'll buy. If it doesn't, you won't buy. Both the way, last is for me. There are few people who send me particular lipstick in particular shade and ask me to review that. Not just lipstick, even foundation, particular foundation in particular shade I have to get and I have to review that for them, it seems. They won't mind if I like that lipstick or foundation. They just want me to buy that just because they want to buy that after seeing how it looks on me and review that. Who will watch those videos? Only you will watch. For that, I have to buy and review that shade alone. Before typing that message to me, for 2 minutes at least, you'll know what to type. Along with that, also for 2 minutes, think if it is fair to ask this. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this. This is from Tan Beauty. This is called This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. Yes, my favorite eyeshadow palette. First, going to take this shade and apply it over my crease, called Pow Wow. I love this palette. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take a kajal and apply it on my upper lash line. And then using this shade called Smoke, I'm gonna smoke it out. I'm gonna smoke the kajal out. And then I'm gonna take this shade. This is called Cast a Spill, yes. And apply it on top of this, on top of my lids. This is so beautiful. And then taking this shade, this is called Highlight, I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners. Now I'm gonna take a kajal and line just half of my lower water lines and then smoke it out using the same smoke shade. I'll do the same in this eye also. Everything is nice except this. Blush, I'm gonna use this blush from K Beauty called Soft Nude. Again, for highlighter, I'm gonna use K Beauty highlighter in the shade Copper Shine. And now the red lipstick, star of the show. This is Ruby Woo from MAC. I feel like this is one of the best red lipsticks out there for dark skin girls. There are so many dupes for this particular shade, but if you want, you can use that. Before using that, I'm gonna use this lip liner from Nykaa. This is in the shade Head Over Heels and align my lips. One more thing before using this particular lipstick, make sure that you have moisturized your lips nicely because this is so drying on your lips. You can also do one more thing. You can apply pink lipstick. I'll show you how it'll look. This is my recent favorite pink shade. This is from Peripera and the shade name is Fuchsia Pink. I'm obsessed with this shade right now. I just love this shade and I just love the way it makes my lips feel. And I'm gonna line my lips using this lip liner from K Beauty. This is in the shade Dance Off. So nice, no, this lip color. I just love it. The earrings are from Meesho. I'll put the link of the video, that is actually Meesho earrings haul video, down in the description box. If you want, you can check it out. More than red lipstick, I love this. So yeah, that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging on till the end, and as I said, please leave your suggestions on this festive series down in the comment section in case if you have any. And also, if you like this video, hit the like button, and what else, subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't subscribed yet. That's it. Ta-ta.